In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the Shopify settings to manage your delivery options effectively. Whether you're setting up a new store or refining your current setup, understanding how to adjust your delivery settings can make a big difference in providing a smooth and reliable shopping experience for your customers. To get started, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin. If you're not already logged in, go to your store's URL and sign in with your credentials to access the admin dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage, which is the main hub for managing your store. Now, let's dive into settings. Look to the left-hand side of your admin dashboard, where you have a list of various options that control different aspects of your store. You'll want to click on Settings, which will open up a new section where you can adjust all aspects of your store's operations. Once in Settings, you'll see multiple tabs specifically tailored for different settings. For our purposes, we'll be focusing on the Shipping and Delivery tab. Click on this tab to enter the area where you can configure how you send your products to customers. Inside the Shipping and Delivery section, you will see various features that you can modify. One of the crucial settings here is Delivery Expectations. By clicking on it, you can define what your customers should expect regarding delivery times. This is particularly useful to manage customer expectations and enhance their satisfaction by being upfront about shipping timelines. Next, take a look at the Estimated Delivery Dates setting. When you click on it, you're given the opportunity to set up a more detailed expectation of when customers can anticipate their orders. It's important to get these dates as accurate as possible to minimize disappointment and build trust with your customers. If at any point you decide you need to step back from a change, you can easily click Cancel. This option allows you to safeguard your previous settings without having to make unwanted alterations, ensuring that any mistakes can be quickly undone. Finally, check out the Shop Promise feature. By clicking on it, you can offer your customers a unique guarantee about your service's reliability. Shop Promise can further enhance your store's credibility and help differentiate you from competitors by reinforcing trust through transparent delivery commitments. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can fine-tune the shipping and delivery settings in your Shopify store. Remember, a well-configured delivery system not only boosts customer satisfaction, but can also significantly improve your store's reputation. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, happy selling!